Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the hymn, Footsteps of Jesus. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can print out and follow along as I teach you this lesson. I'd like to make a shout out to one of my subscribers, Robert Hamilton, for suggesting this song. Thanks, Robert. So let's get started. Footprints of Jesus that make the pathway glow. We will follow the steps of Jesus where'er they go. Okay, that was the chorus of the song. Not too hard to learn, so we'll go over the chords. This is in the key of D is what I'm playing it in. D major, so D major is one of the chords, G major, then A7, and then there's a B minor, and then a D7, and that's all the chords used in this song. So let's take time to quickly review how to play these chords. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on your 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Strum the bottom 4 strings. It's D major. Okay. And then to play G major, you just place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string, string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and then your 4th finger or your little finger on the very 1st string on the bottom on the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. This will be the chord of G major. Okay. The next chord is A7. To play A7, I use finger number 2. Place it on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, then skip a string and place finger number 3 on string number 2 of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but this top E string. So just strum the bottom 5 strings. This is A7. Okay, the next chord is B minor. That could be a little bit challenging for you. If you remember the chord of A minor, you just slide that shape up 2 frets and keeping that same shape, but using these fingers here, and that way it'll free up your finger number 1. So you have that A minor shape on the 3rd and 4th frets. Just keep those fingers planted there and just place finger number 1 on string number 1 on the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. This is probably an easier version. Just don't hit strings 5 and 6. So that's B minor. And then last, we'll learn D7. To play the D7 chord, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on string number 1 of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. Okay, that's all the chords used to play this song. Basically the chord progression on the verse and the choruses are pretty close to each other, just some minor differences there. So okay, let's look at the strumming pattern. This song is written in 4/4 time. There's 4 beats per measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm just using a simple down up strum, but I'm going to vary it a little bit and just kind of add some like bass licks to it. So while I'm playing the chords, I'll just be hitting some of these top strings and then do the downstroke. So it'll be like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 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 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. So let's look at the chord progression on the verse. And again, we're starting off with D major. It goes, sweetly, Lord, have we heard thee calling, come follow me. Now let's go back and look at that again. On calling, I'm switching to D major on the second syllable of calling. Okay, so we go, sweetly, Lord, have we heard thee calling. Then stay on the D major. Come follow me. A7, back to D. And we see where thy footprints falling. Let's start that back from the beginning. Sweetly, Lord, have we heard thee calling, come follow me. And we see where thy footprints falling. Okay, you'll just hit that D major one time on falling, and then you'll have to go straight to that B minor chord. So, lead us. So B minor just gets one beat on the bottom 4 strings, lead, and then A7, us to thee, and then you hit the D7, okay? Okay, so let's look at the bottom 2 lines now, to the end there. And we see where thy footprints falling, lead us to thee. Then it goes right into the chorus, okay? So let's look at that verse in its entirety again, okay? D major, we'll do it slow. Sweetly, Lord, have we heard thee calling, come follow me. And we see where thy footprints falling, lead us to thee. Okay, and then it goes right into the chorus or refrain, okay? Straight into D major, okay? So let's look at the chorus. Footprints of Jesus. Footprints of Jesus that make the pathway glow. A7D. We will follow the step of Jesus where'er they go. Okay, so let's just walk through those chords real slow again on the chorus, okay? Footprints of D major, A7, D major, we will Jesus where'er they go. And it just ends on that D there. You don't transition to that D7. Okay, let's look at the second verse, chord progression. It's the same as the first verse, okay? Starting off with D. Though they lead o'er the cold, dark mountains, seeking his sheep, or alone by Salonium's fountain, helping the weak. Then goes right into the chorus, G major. Footprints of Jesus that make the pathway glow. We will follow the steps of Jesus where'er they go. Okay, it's got a third verse as well, so it's a very pretty simple song to play. You might have a little bit of difficulty playing that B minor, but you can play that in a couple of ways. But just take your time. You can get that chord. I know it kind of sneaks in there very fast and only uses one beat, but just practice and you'll get used to it. So if you like this lesson and like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found. And again, thank you, Robert, for suggesting this song. So everyone have a blessed day. God bless you.